Yes, what's going on, people? Today is a different type of video, something new to the channel. This is gonna be an unboxing and a review of a product. And the product is gonna be the Streamplify webcam. But before I get into all of that, I just wanna say a big thank you to the people at Melanin Gamers and Streamplify for providing me with this webcam and giving me the opportunity to unbox and review it. So appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. And looking at the box, some things to expect is full HD resolution, can output up to 60 frames per second, has an autofocus feature and a 90 degrees view. And to top it off, it comes with its own tripod. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, now it's time to do the comparison between the Streamplify webcam and my regular webcam, which is the Logitech C920. One thing I do want to point out is that I've left both cameras in default state. I have not messed with the brightness, the contrast, the hue in any way, shape or form for this video. I wanted to show them both in their natural state so we can get a casual side-by-side comparison. So with the Logitech, based on the default settings, I feel like it complements me and my skin tone and just how I would appear more naturally compared to the Streamplify. Even though I don't feel like it looks bad, just color wise, I feel like I'm gonna go with the Logitech rather than the Streamplify. But then that's the good thing about editing. I would definitely advise to edit the settings of the Streamplify camera so it can be in a setting where you're happy with how you look, how your skin tone is represented, so on and so forth. Even though this default look is not bad, it's not bad, but comparing it to the Logitech, I would think the Logitech is better. Now it's time to test the autofocus. I'm gonna test the autofocus on the Logitech first, then the Streamplify, then I'm gonna do both at the same time. So Logitech, as you can see, it takes a little while before it focuses back on the subject being myself. Now we're gonna test the Streamplify. Did not take nowhere near as long as the Logitech. Now I'm gonna do it at the same time so they can autofocus simultaneously. Again. Oh, okay, hold on. The Streamplify took a little bit long there. Let's try that again. Okay, this time the Streamplify was way faster. But yeah, in general, Streamplify autofocus, I believe, is a lot faster. Maybe that little test was a one-off, but it goes to show there may be moments where it might take a little bit longer to autofocus. But in general, it seems to autofocus a lot quicker than the Logitech. I also want to point out that the Streamplify webcam is quite smooth because it outputs in 60 frames per second compared to the Logitech that outputs in 30 frames per second. So me just waving back and forth, you can see how smooth that looks. If I was to pick up an item and move that, again, very smooth compared to the Logitech. So 60 frames per second webcam, it looks nice. For me, I'm a guy that cares about performance, so I always like to play on the highest frame rate that I can. Now I want to test out both cameras on the different light settings. We've got this normal one. I'm now going to turn off my room light and see how I look. I've got a light in the back towards my face just so I can be seen, and we'll see how both cameras fare. So I do have a light shining towards my face only so I can be seen, but my main light is off, and to be honest, I like the way that I look in the Streamplify camera compared to the Logitech. The Logitech, I feel a lot more grey, whereas with the Streamplify, I feel like it represents how I look a lot more better. Now I'm going to turn my Lightroom back on, but because I've got a smart bulb, I'm going to play with the lights and change its color. So it'll be interesting to see how each camera will represent me under different light backgrounds. Alright, so we're going to start with my default color, which is going to be blue. Okay, this is very interesting. The Streamplify webcam makes me look very orange. The Logitech camera, I still look grey or grey-ish, but I like the way I'm being represented in the Logitech compared to the Streamplify. So it's looking like if you've got blue lights in your background, you may potentially have to tweak up your camera so you can look a lot more natural, because I personally don't like how orange I'm looking. I don't like that personally. So yeah, but yeah, let's try another color. Let's try green. Okay, with green, the Streamplify camera, I'm not looking orange now. I'm looking more myself. Logitech, the Logitech looks calm as well. So both cameras are cool. Under green, both cameras are looking cool. Let's go to yellow. Funny enough, in the webcams, it doesn't even look like I'm under a yellow backdrop. It looks like I'm more under a white backdrop, a natural light color. But again, I'm cool. I'm cool with how both of them are making me look. I'm cool with both outputs. Let's move to red. Red, again, both outputs are looking nice. I'm not complaining. They both look cool. And finally, pink. Once again, no complaints. I feel like the general output under the pink looks cool. So it seems to be only blue that there's an issue. There we go. Yep. I'm now looking like the thing from Fantastic Four. Yeah, okay. So maybe if it's a case where you have a blue background, the camera is definitely going to need tweaking. Both cameras, in fact. Logitech, I'm looking grey. Streamplify is making me look like I'm a part of the Fantastic Four. Okay, so one little detail that I missed. Watching this footage back, I realized that I actually didn't consider the fact that having a light shine in my direction towards my face would have possibly been the reason why my face was looking orange when the background was blue. So yeah, just wanted to drop that in there real quick. So all in all, I do believe the Streamplify is a solid camera, definitely worth investing in, especially if you are new to the scene and you're looking to purchase some equipment to get started. I'll leave a link to the Streamplify website and to the webcam if you're interested in purchasing. And yeah, once again, I just want to say thank you to the people at Melanin Gamers and Streamplify for this opportunity to review this camera. But we are not done. There will be a second video reviewing this bad boy real soon. So yeah, once again, just want to thank the people at Melanin Gamers and Streamplify for this opportunity. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, just so you know. This is not sponsored at all. I'm not making money off this. But yeah, guys, this was my first time doing an unboxing and a review of an item that can be used for gaming. So please do hit me with some critiques. If there was something I didn't explain, if there was anything that wasn't explained well, etc, etc, please do let me know. So then when I make future videos like this, I can improve and make you guys happy. But saying that, if you did like this video, hit me with that like button. And if you like what I'm bringing to my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Safe.